how to add people on Discord. So if you want to add people on Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, if you want to add people in a server, you're going to have to locate the server. Tap one to a server where you would like to add, tap on the server name. Now here you will have an option of invite. You need to tap on invite, and then you need to go and select a friend that you would like to invite. So go with invite, which will be in the right side. Select the people that you already have friends or that you're already friends with, or type in their username and add them to the server. In case you were just looking to add some friends, you can select your session, like you can go back, and here you can go with your messages, go with add friends, which will be on the top, and from here you'll be able to add your friends. That's how you can add people on your Discord, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.